Some tips for LPG cylinder maintenance and safety precautions. Never tamper with your LPG cylinder or the fittings. Always use hose clamps with the LPG certified hose and ensure that it is connected properly to the stove and regulator. Do not store cylinders near heat and sources of ignition such as fires, barbecue grills, and electrical panels. Small cylinders installed indoors are to be 1.5 to 2 meters away from your stove. There should be no smoking or open flames in the area where cylinders are stored. Before installing your cylinder, always make sure that your burners are in the off position. In the event that the odorant is detected, do not turn on or off any light switches or unplug any equipment. Instead, immediately turn off the gas at the source. Disconnect the LPG regulator when your gas stove is not in use for prolonged periods. Keep an ABC fire extinguisher at home, at least 10 to 15 pounds in size, and ensure that you're familiar with how to use it.
For more information, please contact a customer service representative at 888 IGL Blue.